multi-dimensional illustration with several bodies that coexist at different levels, locations. So I beg you, my brothers and sisters, stand on your feet like a mountain, Tadasana, a warrior. With an open heart, you feel complete. How lucky are we to create open communication between different levels of the self that have disassociated through trauma, stress, shame, feelings of powerlessness, or simple guilt. Contemplation, reconciliation. Remove yourselves from negative situations. Remove yourselves from negative situations. Tear up the old blueprint and take the leap. With an open heart, you feel complete. With an open heart, you feel complete.